prime our eyes, and I'm going to use the Too Faced Shadow Insurance for that. Alright, now let's get into the palette. First shade we're going to use is Certified, the very first Film Color shade here. And I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and put that in our crease to help the yellow blend a little better once we place that. We're going to go into the shade right below that, the yellow, called No Joke. And I want this to be pretty blown out, so I'm going to use a big fluffy brush for this one. And just be sure to tap off the excess, that way it doesn't blow everywhere, especially if you have your foundation already on like I do. I don't have anything but foundation, but you don't want it to get everywhere if you can stop it. We're taking this in the crease and above. Just doing those back and forth motions and then circular motions to blend it out even further. Now that we have that matte shade blended out in the crease, we're going to go in with the shade right beside it called Talia, which is a yellow gold. And for this, we're going to pack it onto the lid. So I am going to pull out a mirror that I can look up close into while I'm doing this. Using a flat shader brush for that, kind of like a concealer brush. They're the best to use with any type of metallic or glittery shades. Gonna pack this all over. Quite with the punch that I would like. It's nowhere near as pigmented as I expected. That's my first time using that shade, so I'm going to go in with the primer water and spray the brush and then go back into it and see what happens. Much better, much better. The difference. This eye, I wet the brush. This eye, I did not. So you can see how much of a difference that makes. Take that blending brush we had the yellow matte on and just go over the edges slightly once more. No additional product. Alright, I'm going to go ahead guys and do my concealer and the rest of my face products, and then we'll come back and finish up with the lower lash line. Alright guys, so I've got my face makeup done and we're going to go ahead and start on the lower lash line. And what we're going to do is take the matte yellow on a pencil brush and apply that to the lower lash line. We're just going to smudge it right across the entire lower lash line. Again, make sure you tap off the excess. Make sure to just meet it up here with the other yellow. The shadow on the lower lash line, I'm going to go ahead and put on some mascara, and today I'm just using a pretty vulgar mascara. The inner corner, we're going to put a little highlight. You don't have to do this if you don't like your inner corner highlighted, but I do. And in the palette, we don't really have one that would go with this. It's more of a pink white shade that she has in there for a shimmer. So I'm going to just use this highlight by Wet n Wild called Earth. It's a nice yellow gold champagne type of highlight. So I'm just going to put that in the inner corner. And then you can leave it like that, or you could put a eyeliner in your waterline, and I am going to do that. And I think that what I'm going to use today for that is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio in Bold Brown. Alright guys, this is our final look for our super easy yellow eyeshadow tutorial using the new Jaclyn Hill Morphe Volume 2. I have really been enjoying this palette so far. The only thing that I will say is that the metallics, I do enjoy them a lot more if you wet your brush. So that's just a quick tip. If you have the palette and they're really not working for you, just go ahead and wet that brush and they'll come out a lot brighter, as you saw today. If there are any other looks you would like to see done using this palette or any other colors used, please leave me a comment and I'll be glad to film that for you. Also, there's a giveaway in my last video, so if you haven't entered yet, go ahead and go to that last video. It will be here at the end screen of this video for you to click on and get there super easy. There's a pretty awesome giveaway I'm doing, and not too much longer left in it, so go over to that and check it out if you're interested. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, turn on that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. And as always guys, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.